Ever wonder what gives your car its heartbeat? Meet the spark plug. It's the literal spark of life for your engine. Electricity from the ignition coil travels down the plug center electrode. At the bottom, the electricity jumps a tiny gap, creating a spark. That spark ignites a highly compressed mix of air and fuel, causing a mini explosion that pushes the piston down and turns your wheels. Here's the crazy part. That tiny spark requires up to 45,000 volts and burns hotter than the surface of the sun. And it's fast. In a standard engine going highway speeds, a single spark plug fires up to 100 times per second. Next time you drive, remember the thousands of tiny lightning bolts powering your trip.